guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Base box for the month of March 2021. So if you want to know what I got in my box, then just go ahead and keep on watching, guys. And of course, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, it would mean the world to me if you guys can please help me out and subscribe down below. I am very close to hitting my 7,000 subscribers, so if you support my channel, it would mean the world to me. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started and jump into this Boxycharm unboxing. And jump right into the little box because I just got it in the mail. It is fresh out of the mail. It still does have the little seal to it, if you guys can see it. So I'm curious to know what we are getting on this month's box. I did unbox my premium box yesterday late at night. So that video is already up. So you guys can go check that video out. I will place it at the very end so you guys can go look at it. Because we got a Charlotte Tilbury foundation. And I'm actually wearing it today. And I'm loving it. Alright guys, so this is what the base box looks like. The theme is the same one as the premium, and it is the Game Changer theme. But anyways, this is what my box looks like. I don't know. This looks like skincare, and I freaking hate skincare. Hopefully it's not a bunch of skincare, because your girl hates skincare. Honestly, I really do. But anyways, let's just see what they sent out. Alright guys, so the first item in my box is this Frank Body. It's a brightening vitamin C mask. I hate freaking skincare. I'm such a baby. I hate it though. I honestly look forward to my makeup items, and my premium box was so good, guys. I was in love with my box, my premium box, because it was like fully packed with makeup. And then this box is the base box, and it looks like it's skincare. Anyways, this is what the little tub looks like. And it's a mask, brightening vitamin C mask. Okay, so yesterday when I unboxed, oh shit, it's super liquidy. What the hell? I was not expecting this. But it's a vitamin C mask. Vitamin is very good for your skin. It smells a little weird. I was going to say yesterday I got a face serum in my premium box. And now I got a this kind of a mask. I was totally expecting like a different texture. But I know vitamin C, like I used to drink the vitamin C pills because it's good for you. So, I don't know, it was like super liquidy. I was not expecting that, but okay, I guess our first item is a vitamin C mask. All right, guys, I'm not impressed with this box so far. I honestly am not. All right, so this is the next item that I see on here. And I think we've seen this brand before, or I've tried this brand before. It's La Vito, and it is inspired by nature. This is an Age Away hydrating cream, and it's going to help firm, hydrate, and repair. So, like body care, I guess. What is this? Evening primrose seed, but I don't know. It has a bunch of words that I can't even read. Why am I even trying to read this? Can't even see it. Half the time I'm blind. But here's the second item that we got. I am not impressed, honestly. I am just not impressed with this base box. Not the variation that I got anyway. All right, so these were the first two items that we got. Oh my god, where's my makeup stuff? I don't see any makeup stuff. All right, so then up next we got this little box. It also looks like it could be skincare. Always an Optimist Base Illuminate something. This is by Rare Beauty, and I think I chose this. I don't know. I forgot what I had chose, but I think I chose this because it was like last month. So I forgot, honestly, what I chose. But I'm pretty sure I did choose this. I can't remember if this is a primer or like a spray. Oh, no, for sure this is a primer. Okay, well, I got that serum on my hand, or not the serum, the face mask. But I want to see what the texture of this little primer is. It's kind of small, guys. It's really, the packaging is actually really cute. It's like a pale nude, very light baby pink, almost white. It's really cute. The packaging is really cute, and it has like a frost bottle to it. Boo. All right, let's just see. Let's just see what the texture of this item is. So it's an illuminating face primer. Okay. It's all right, I guess. I will try it out. Okay, so far, I guess that's like the only item that I like so far. Always an optimist. So Rare Beauty. And this is a base. Yeah, so it's just like a base primer, and it's just gonna illuminate. All right, guys, so these are the last two items I have in my box. And then this is what we got up next. This is the Lauren Conrad, and this is a black eyeliner. Why do they continue sending us black eyeliners? Like, I have a bunch of black eyeliners. I don't even use them. I wish that they would send like colorful eyeliners, like a purple eyeliner or green, or maybe even a brown to make my eyes a little bit more hazel. Like, you know, just like switch it up a little bit, not like so much black. But this is, oh, it's a felt tip eyeliner. Okay, guys, so here is what this eyeliner looks like. For some reason, I thought in my head that the eyeliner was like a gel eyeliner or like a pencil eyeliner. I didn't realize that it was one of these ones. But yeah, either which way, I feel like I have so many black eyeliners, and I wish they would switch it up to something different. You know, I like me some pop of color, and I would like to try something different. All right, anyways, guys, so we are down to our last item, which is this. I am just not impressed with this box. I hate this box. All right, guys. This right here is a little Luxie purple pouch with the rose gold zipper. And, okay, well, they did send us some makeup brushes, but where's the makeup at, huh? I'm just kidding. Okay, so they did send us out some brushes. I honestly love these. They're so pretty, guys. I have like a whole ass collection of Luxie brushes. I literally have a drawer full almost of Luxie brushes that I've gotten throughout the years with Boxycharm, and these brushes are really good. And what I love about these is the color. They are a Tiffany blue color. They are super cute. It sucks that they only sent out 4, but the color is very pretty. I think I'm gonna display them somewhere over here on my, let me flip it over, like over here on this shelf, because it matches. It would look so cute. Right here where I have my shelves. So anyways, I think I'm gonna display these little makeup brushes here. And then also, it does have like a little beauty sponge, like a very tiny beauty sponge. This is what it looks like. So I know it's gonna grow in size once I get it wet and damp. And I actually needed a new beauty sponge because Iggy, my dog, Iggy, come here. Hey, puppy. Here is my puppy dog. He's still a puppy and he's still teething, and he got into my beauty sponge. I don't know how it like bounced off and it fell on the floor, and he got into it and he tore my shit up. Didn't you? Bad boy. Anyways, so I'm glad that I got a new little beauty sponge because I definitely do need one. All right, guys, so let me add up the whole total and tell you how much my box value is worth. Okay, guys, so the total value of this month's base box, according to them, it's worth $160 with 95 cents. I don't know if I agree with that. But anyways, let me also tell you the variation box that I got. It is the letter C 220302-BA. And then we're gonna go ahead and go over each individual item. So first off, we got the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. That little primer, it's so cute. I'm actually excited to try this one out. I'm gonna give it a shot. This one does retail for the $26. Then we got the Levito Age Away Hydrating Cream. This one, according to them, it retails for $55, and I am not excited about this item. Yeah, not my favorite. All right, then up next we got the Luxie little brushes. So this is where I'm going to display them. I put it in my little unicorn holder, and I'm going to put them right over there on my little shelf. These are so cute, guys. I actually really like these little brushes. I wish they would have sent us out some more. But yeah, the little Luxie brush set retails for $40. And then we got the Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask. This one right here retails for $19.95, like $20. And then the last item that we got is the Lauren Conrad eyeliner. On the little card, it's actually saying that this is a new brand to Boxycharm. So yeah, it's a new brand. And that's how much my box retailed for. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this month's box, like the base box specifically, because my premium box was a bomb. I loved it. But then my base box, it freaking sucked. I hate this box. This is not a great box. It did not meet my expectations. That's what I'll say. All right, guys, so I think that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys like this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and help me hit those 7,000 goal. I'm really, really close, and make sure that you guys do subscribe to my channel. And that's going to be it for today, and I hope to see you guys on my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Have a great day.